Hi, my name is Jenna. I live in Brooklyn and I am a mother to 7-month-old Marigold. I think I ended up waiting until I was about 18 weeks pregnant to receive the vaccination. I'm an in-person teacher, so I was given access early January, and I felt a little bit nervous being in my first trimester of my first pregnancy, and without a lot of information about how the vaccine might affect pregnancy and if it would. A big part of the decision for me was thinking about my health and wellness, and how important that would be as a mother. Pretty fortunate to not have a lot of physical side effects from it. I had a sore arm for about a day, ultimately just more and more grateful that I was able to protect myself and my baby, and to feel a little bit more confident for us to be able to go into the world. This is something that we can do to keep ourselves well, for our babies, for ourselves. And I'm really grateful that we have access to it.